I did a hack. This is one of the cutest styles. 50-minute miracle knot. Who playing with it? Not me. You knew I was gonna get my hands on it, but I had to do it when it was time, when I could figure out a cheat way to do it. You already know what time it is over here. What am I talking about? The viral crochet braid install using feather crochet hair. Huh? You knew I was gonna get my hands on it. You knew that. I'm gonna just let you watch the video. I did a hack. I know you think this is all miracle knots in my head. No. Oh no. I did this in like 50 minutes. Yeah. Who playing with it? Not me. I'm sure you guys have seen it. The girlies are calling it miracle knots. I absolutely loved it. I knew from the beginning I was not going to spend my whole entire time doing individuals all over my head. So I said, let me do what I do. When I do it, how I do that thing. Put that thing down, flip it and reverse it, and did that. We still in business. Huh? This is one of the cutest styles in 2025. It's so innovative. I don't know who did it first, but shout out to you, good cousin. So yeah, I don't know who came up with it. I'm just coming up on y'all like we about to fight. I don't know who started it, but I'm taking part in it because this is too cute. This is too cute. Once I got through this first part, you already know what time it was back here, because the back does not judge you, baby. You could be just as ignorant as you want to be in the back, but that front better be all the way together, because the front don't care nothing about you or your mama. Don't even play with it. Slay with it, okay? That's my advice. I'm just a humble servant. I'm just telling you what I know from experience. It took me 50 minutes to do this. 50 minutes to do this, 50 minutes to do. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. And then you can get more hacks like this, more beauty tips. Huh? If you like this video, hit like. It really helps. Just not gonna lie, it really helps analytics, because sometimes they don't even know I'm over here. I'll be like, I've been over here for over a decade. They still don't be knowing sometimes. Go ahead, hit that like, wait, big cousin. Y'all, my hair's done. You see it, you see it, I'm not playing with y'all, and it's a whole hack. And me and my man got date night tonight. What? It's basically boho braids. I'm giving you all the tea, honey. All of it. First things first, let's get into this hair. This hair was sent to me from HOTBRAIDS. This is their 3C 4A texture, exotic, kinky, coily, reusable, upgraded human hair crochet braids, and I have 16 inches. You get one bundle. All of that is one bundle, and that's one of the perks from purchasing from HOTBRAIDS. You don't have to buy 3, 4, 5 bundles. They give you a whole set that is enough for a full head. So that one set right there, I'm going to be using that for my full head. You'll notice the threading in between the two sides. That's going to make this process so easy, because what I'm going to be doing is basically crocheting those pieces into my plaits. And because this is a hack, the back of my hair is cornrowed. You know, I'm gonna fly through that part, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to insert your crochet hook a little bit down from the root of your plait, and you're going to install a piece. That's it. You're going to want to make sure that the knot, when you knot it, you're doing a basic crochet knot. Make sure you're knotting the thread, okay? Not the hair, because then it'll slip and slide. It won't be secure. That's the perk of having that little thread there. Once you put that loop in and knot it, it does not move, okay? Now, the last piece for me, this is what I choose to do. I just started to braid that onto my end. You'll notice that I left the ends of my plaits out. I just braid another piece onto the end of my hair, and I am using Slick and Slay gel, the braid gel, for that part. That's it. Because my hair is so short, all I had to do was install 2 pieces on each plait. That's it. I've seen some people install 3 pieces. The more pieces that you install, the bigger the hair will be. Also, I do want to say this too. A lot of people, when they do this particular style, the miracle knots, a lot of people are using a looser wave, like a water wave. That's another reason I wanted to use this tighter coilier curl for this particular style, because I wanted to see what it'll look like with a tighter curl. And I'm so glad that I did, because it's so giving like natural boho mini twist sort of a look, and I love that, y'all. And when I tell you that's it, I attached 2 pieces of this human hair crochet hair onto my plait. One I knotted through the plait, and the other I just braided it onto the end of my hair. That part is a little bit more difficult for me to explain. I just like set it on my plait and braided it. The 2 ends of the crochet hair were the 2 legs of the braid, and then my end was the 3rd leg of the braid. That's it, y'all. And because you start this off with your own plait, your own natural braid, it looks so realistic. There is no knot, there is no sort of connection up at the top of your hair. Nothing like that. You can wear this any way you want to. You could braid it down. I'll be showing you what I do to maintain this at the end. But all you have to do when you wake up in the morning, I put mine in a bunch of jumbo braids, regular braids. You can do 2-strand twists. You can place the hair in a low pony. You can do a high pineapple, as long as you put a bonnet on over top of that. Then the next morning, release the hair if you want to wear it big and fluffy. In this case, because this hair is a tighter coil, you can wear it big. Trust me, she's fly big too. I'm going to show you what she looks like once it's sprayed down with water as well, just so you can see. But I loved it both ways. So in the morning, if you want to give it a good spritz with water, that's all you need to do. That's it, you guys. The maintenance, this is very low maintenance hair, very low key. It is extremely lightweight and impeccably soft. When I touched the hair, that's the first thing that jumped out at me. Because it's thick from root to the end, it has that same soft texture all the way down the hair. So it's super fluffy. It's very much giving natural, healthy, curly hair, and you cannot go wrong with that, y'all. I'm gonna tell you one thing I did change. The 2 cornrows that I had going back, the 2 end cornrows, I ended up changing those to individual pieces as well, because I got to thinking I'm probably gonna have my hair up a lot, and the more individuals that you have around the perimeter, the more seamless it's going to be when you put it up in a ponytail. So I decided that I was gonna change those 2 end cornrows to individual pieces. So I did do that, y'all. Okay, but at this point, get it girl, get it time. If you don't know what that is, that's basically where you get all the hair, you lay it out. Some people have braid boards where you can just lay each of the strands and just have it ready, so you don't have to get it ready. You already have it laid out and you're just installing. Bam. You can go through the cornrow, you can go under the cornrow. It just depends on your particular style. When you take this out, all you're going to do in the back is release your cornrows. The hair will slide out, because remember, this is reusable hair and you want to keep this because this is an investment. So you definitely want to keep this hair and reuse it, because there's so many different styles that you can complete with, like the feather crochet ish type of hair. So, and the same with the plaits. You're just unbraiding that end where you braided that piece onto your end. You just unbraid it. That part will slide off. You continue up the plait. As you release or unravel that plait, the first piece that you crocheted into it will just slide right off of your hair. That's it, you guys. I don't want you to overthink the takedown for this. There's no overthinking that. You're just unraveling. That is it. So you're moving in reverse and everything will slide out, okay? But it is very secure. When you braid a piece to your end, it is really secure, y'all, because I brush through this hair. I do all the things. As a matter of fact, I'm doing this voiceover now, and it's been, I don't know how long it's been since I've had this in my hair, but every day I have tussled with it. I've braided it. I've done updos. My daughter has played in the hair, all the things. I'm not losing hair, y'all. So don't worry about, is it secure? When you braid it onto the end of your hair, it is secure. You want to braid it onto enough of the end of your hair. So don't braid it onto like the very tip of your hair, but it is going to be in that end section. You do not have to use foam or mousse, but I chose to. I just went to my second favorite, Lotta Body. It is very price friendly and it is really moisturizing, and I wanted to keep with the feel of the hair because the hair feels so good. I didn't want to put anything on the hair that is too harsh or drying, nothing like that. So I went with good old Lotta Body, and she did what she was supposed to do. The brush, there's a reason why I use that brush. This is one of my top 2 favorite curl brushes. You already know the first one because I usually always show that one on camera, but I said, let me show this one to you guys. Certain brushes are designed for curly hair. It's designed to like clump and pop those curls, as in this brush right here. Okay, don't worry, all this stuff will be in the description box. These are the things that will just help you to make sure that your style is the best that it can be. If you're going for this look, you can wear the hair just as is. This hair is so nice. This hair is absolutely beautiful, very healthy, a nice luster, nice healthy luster. It's not shiny, not wiggy, none of that stuff. Y'all, that's as natural as it comes when it, y'all, come on. It's so cute. And you can wash it easily, condition it easily when you're in the shower. All of the I mean, it's just very convenient. It is extremely convenient. And again, because you are not knotting your root and not worrying about attaching hair to the root of your hair, it's very easy on your hair. It's very gentle. This is a very gentle style, but it's versatile in a mug. I can't think of anything, like there's literally so many different styles that you can do with this. As long as you're not tight. If you want the grid in the front to be super clean, you can use like a braid gel or edge control along those parts. I don't do that just because I just choose not to. That's really all. I like for my parting to look natural, just regular, just like I'm, plaiting my own hair, which is essentially what I was doing. I just wanted it to look, when it starts to grow out, I welcome that process as well, because to me, that is when some of the best looks develop. Okay. But there's so many different styles you can do. In essence, these are like boho plaits, boho braids. So you may see them as miracle knots. You may see them as the viral crochet knots. I'm trying to think of all the ways you may see them online. But yeah, it's basically, these are like mini boho braids. I cannot stress to you how easy this was. Of course, if you don't do this hack, it's going to take longer because you have to do individual plaits all over your head. And depending on how you want them to look, you can do smaller plaits, all the things. So that really is going to fall on you, how long you want to spend doing your hair. Because the more individuals that you have, the more natural it's going to look, the more versatile it's going to be for you. So it just depends on what you want to do. For me, this is just fine, y'all. This is just fine. I have no complaints about this hair whatsoever. At night, like I said, I just put some big old plaits in and put my bonnet on, y'all. That's it. Wake up in the morning, start to unravel the hair. I'll either leave it like that, like a chunky twist out or braid out or whatnot, or I'll wet it down. I'm going to show you what wetting it down will do with this hair now. The hair is different. So if you're using this hair, you have so many different options. You don't have to wear it super juicy curly. Again, you can do twist outs, braid outs. This is human hair, so you literally can do what you want to do with this hair. Take care of it, reuse it, y'all. When you take it out, if you need to wash it, let it air dry, put it back in the bag and save it for your next style where you use this hair. Because listen, let me tell you something. When the hair is as quality as this, as high quality, you could get so much wear. Get all the bang for your buck is what I'm saying to you, okay? Wear it up, wear it down. Oh my goodness, the possibilities are endless. Even when you do it this way with the hack, I was able to style my hair so many different ways. I have it in a high bun right now, but I've worn this several different ways, y'all. I'm having so much fun with this hairstyle. Again, big shout out to the girlies who created this method of doing this particular style, because it is a very beginner friendly method, you guys. Even if you do the full head full of plaits, it's very beginner friendly. And if you pair it with a very nice high quality hair like this, you are going to love your style. Again, it's very easy, super soft. It feels good on your skin, so you don't have to worry about, you know, any sort of like, you know, bad feelings on your neck or your shoulders, anything like that. The hair feels really, really nice. It's lightweight, once again, which also aids in your styling choices. Once again, remember that all you need is this one bundle. This is enough for a full head. Now, of course, if you want it to be extremely full or more full than this, you know, then you can purchase multiple. You purchase what you want to purchase, but this is enough for a full head. I have used every single piece for this look, and it's full, but it's not overbearing. It's easy to put in a ponytail, easy to slick back and still look flat, which I love. And then you pull it out the ponytail and she giving all kind of body. That is such a flex. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying this. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you know when I drop all these good hacks and beauty tips, okay? Big shout out to Hot Braids. This hair is beautiful. It's really, really nice. Super soft. I love the versatility. I love the quality in the hair. You can get this longer, you can get it shorter. They do have different lengths. It just depends on what you want. If you change the length, the weight of the bundle might change. So make sure you pay attention to that. Information be in the description box, y'all, okay? Until next time, peace, love, light, y'all. Bye-bye.